All right, yellow group. This week is sort 22 with the long O patterns in accented syllables. So we're looking for them in the first syllable, the second syllable, or oddball. And the different ways we can make O is two vowels go walking, as in O-A. The first one does the talking. Or silent E as a ninja with an E at the end. And the other way is by having an O consonant consonant, like low, not that one, like owner, or that's the O-W. O consonant consonant would be poster. Okay, so explode would go here, lonely would go here, bureau would be oddball. It doesn't have a O-W-O, O-A, or O blank E. Lonesome. Lonesome would be first syllable. Alone, second syllable. Soapy, first syllable. Awoke, second syllable. Hostess, first. Compose, second. Lower, first. Remote, second. Closely, second. Closely, first. Approach, second. Postage, first. Suppose, second. Owner, first. Decode, second. Loafer, first. Europe, oddball. Poster, first. Erode, second. Green group, you are working on the qu sound and the k sound, which is spelled Q-U. So you're looking at which syllable it is found in as well. So for syllable number 1, question, it's the Q-U, it's in the first syllable. Equal, it's in the second syllable. And antique, it has the k sound, so it's in the last column. Let's go through the words. Quality, that would go in the first. Frequent, second. Racket, second. Squirrel, first. Equipment, second. Conquer, K. Inquire, second. Sequence, second. Technique, K sound. Racket, did we already do that? K sound. Mosquito, K sound again. Quadrant, first syllable. Quizzes, first syllable. Sequel, second. Critique, K. Squirming, first. Banquet, second. Liquid, second. Request, second. Equator, second. Quotient, or quotation, first. Queasy, first. And qualify, first. Hopefully that makes sense. And hopefully I didn't make a mistake. All right, blue group, you are looking at words that have end in base DE, like in explode. If we're changing it to explosion, you take away the DE and add S-I-O-N. So take off the DE and add S-I-O-N. If it ends in base IT, admit. If we're going to change it to admission, you take off the IT and add I-S-S-I-O-N. So emit, I would go under this one, and emission. Where is emission? Right there. Persuade, persuasion. Decide. Where's decide? Where's decide? Why can't I find it? Must not be in there. Oh, here. Decide, decision. Omit, omission. Invade, invasion. Oh, that's intrusion. Invasion. Divide, division, intrude, intrusion, permit, permission, submit, submission, conclude, conclusion, collide, collision, transmit, transmission, erode, erosion, and did I miss any? No. There you go.